Hi, my name is June Collier, Executive Vice President with myEcon. Welcome to our myEcon family and congratulations on becoming a new business owner. Because you've recently become a new myEcon business owner, you may be thinking, what's next or how do I get started? The best way to get started is to watch the Quick Start Orientation video series. It takes about 90 minutes to watch the videos, but they will save you tremendous time and stress. You should watch all the videos completely, even a couple of times if necessary, because they will guide you step by step to success. It may also be beneficial to take notes and jot down questions as you watch the videos. Now, after you watch the videos, you should get with your upline leader to answer questions and provide additional insight. myEcon was created to help people attain personal financial success. Personal financial success is simply having enough cash flow to support our lifestyles during our working years and retirement years. Now, during the working years, the cash flow is generated by our labor as we work jobs and build businesses. But during our retirement years, the cash flow is generated by assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, passive income, businesses, and retirement accounts. To attain personal financial success, we need to earn enough cash flow to support our lifestyles during our working years and simultaneously invest enough money to build enough assets to provide sufficient passive income to support our lifestyles during our retirement years. We empower our associates to generate cash flow for their current lifestyles and for their future retirement lifestyles. We do that by utilizing 3 cash flow strategies: income shifting, business income, and passive income. Now, your first task in myEcon is to start following us on Facebook at facebook.com/myEcon. Let's look at some additional details on cash flow generation and attaining personal financial success.